Good day everyone. I am Micaela Misa, and today I will explain the indigenous costume and rituals. The term indigenous was derived from the Latin word indigena, which means native. It was formed by combining the old Latin term Indu, which means in or within, and is most often used to describe the native inhabitants of the places. So, the word indigenous comes from the Latin word indigena, which means native or original people. In simple terms, sila yung mga unang tao na nanirahan sa isang lugar bago pa dumating ang ibang grupo o modern society. Hindi lang sila old groups, they are still living today and they continue to practice their traditions. Costumes, on the other hand, is defined as a traditional and widely accepted way of behavior or doing something that is specific to a particular society, place, or time. So, costume are the daily habits or traditions of a group of people. Example, how they greet others, how they celebrate events, how they dress or prepare food. So, ito yung mga nakasanayan na gawain na ipinapasa from one generation to another. Ritual refers to a religious service or other ceremonies which involve a series of actions performed in a fixed order such as baptism. It is a sequence of activities involving gestures and performed according to a set of sequence which may be prescribed by the traditions of a community. So what are the rituals? Rituals are formals and meaningful activities. May specific steps or sequence, usually connected to belief, religion, or spirituality. Example, healing rituals, worship ceremonies, harvest rituals. Sa madaling salita, rituals are not just action, they have deep meaning and purpose. So why are indigenous rituals important? Indigenous rituals are important because, number one, connection to nature. Naniniwala sila na ang kalikasan ay may buhay at espiritu. They believe nature has spirits. The second one is the spiritual belief. They believe in anito or spirits and gods who guide their lives. Community unity. The last one, rituals are usually done together, so it strengthens their bond as a community. So now let's dive into the indigenous rituals in the country. So in the Philippines, there are more or less 175 ethno-linguistic groups. Each of them has its own form of indigenous rituals characterized as animistic, collectively referred to as Bathalism. Indigenous rituals in the Philippines has around 175 ethno-linguistic group and each has unique traditions. The first one is the Bukidnon. The indigenous tribe have the Hinaklaran festival. In Hinaklaran, it was performed by women. The women dance the dugso while the bayalan does the chanting. The ritual lasts about 6 hours to assure the blessing of spirit, a good harvest, or a good fortune. So, Bukidnon, Hinaklaran Festival. So, women perform the Dugso dance, the bayalan spiritual leader chants. The ritual lasts about 6 hours. So, ang purpose ito is ask for good harvest, ask for blessing and protection. So meaning, pinapakita nito na ang buhay nila ay nakadepende sa kalikasan, especially farming. The second one is Tingyan. In Abra, they have their Pinauban ritual of the Tingyan to worship their Anito and their great god Kabunian. It was led by Mandadawak or Alpugan. The male participant prayed the Diyam or Dimdim or dimdimi, while the women dance around and sing the salidumay. When illness threatened the life of the Tingwan, they have another ritual called Bawi. They have Bawi Bawi, a simulated house that serves as their center where the mandadawak and his or her assistant make a pig cry for the spirits to hear. Tingwans or Pinauban ritual, worship of Anito spirits and Kabunian or their god, led by mandadawak, healer or priest. Men pray, women dance and sing the Salidumay or Bawi ritual for sickness. They build a small house called Bawi Bawi. A pig is made to cry to call the spirits. Meaning, naniniwala sila na ang sakit ay galing sa spirits, kaya kailangan ng ritual to heal. The third one is apayaos. Or apayaos. The apayaos have dawak, a ritual they observe the same with Tingwan. In the ritual of apayaos, the female mandadawak exchange verbal chants, take up large scarves and head axes, and sprinkle the sick with water. When the cure is effected, everyone rises up and dance. So the apayaws or dawak ritual, led by a female mandadawak, uses chanting, water, and symbolic objects. After healing, everyone celebrates and dances. So meaning healing is not just physical, it is also spiritual and communal. Bagobos of Davao believe in Pamulak, Manobo, who according to the created the heaven and earth and molded the first man named Toglay and the first woman named Toglibon. Rituals ruled their daily life, such as the observance of Jin a 4-day ritual. The Bagobos healing ritual has the female Bailan officiating before a tall altar with scents. So in Bagobos, in Davao, believe in Pamulak Manobo or Creator. First humans is Toglay and Toglibon. Jin ritual. So last 4 days, led by a female Bailan. So meaning rituals are part of their daily life, not just special occasion. So what do you all this ritual shows? Even if they are different, they share common ideas, respect for nature, belief in spirits and gods, strong community connection, traditions passed through generation. So in summary, indigenous custom and rituals are not just old practices, they are a way of life. Sa madaling salita, ito ay nagpapakita kung sino sila, ano ang paniniwalaan nila, at paano sila nabubuhay bilang isang komunidad. So as a student, it is important for us to respect and appreciate these traditions because they are part of our Filipino identity and culture. So that's end for my report. Again, I am Micaela Misa.